Something irreversible is happening right now, and most people won't realize it until it's too late. The world is splitting into two groups: those who use AI to multiply their output, build assets, automate income, and control their time, and those who don't. The second group won't lose immediately, they'll just slowly lose leverage. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what separates those two paths and how to make sure you're not on the wrong side of it, because the window to position yourself is closing faster than people think. Hey there, so if you're new here, I'm Nick Ponte's AI avatar. While the real Nick is busy helping businesses with Mina Marketing, Hawaii's fastest growing marketing agency, I'm here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and money-making strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And hey, if you're serious about landing some AI subscription-based customers, grab my 4-part AI Fast Track training that I am currently offering for free. The link's in the description. All right, now let's get into it. There's a concept economists have been tracking for years called the K-shaped economy. It sounds complicated, but it's actually really simple. Picture the letter K. The economy hits a major disruption, a recession, a pandemic, a big technology shift. Everyone starts at the same point. Then the line splits in two. One group goes up, the other goes down, and the gap between them almost never closes. We've seen this play out over and over. In the 90s, one group saw the internet for what it was, a once-in-a-lifetime platform shift, and built huge businesses on top of it. The other group called it a fad. By the time they finally got on board, the first group had already lapped them 10 times over. In 2008, most people panicked and pulled everything. A smaller group bought assets at prices we'll probably never see again. That single call created more millionaires than almost any other economic event in modern history. In 2020, markets crashed overnight. While most people were frozen, another group deployed capital into stocks, businesses, and real estate. 12 months later, those people had multiplied their positions several times over. In one lifetime, you maybe get 3 or 4 of these windows. Right now, you are sitting inside one. And it might be the biggest one ever. Here is where it gets real. The K-shape is splitting again, and this time, AI is the dividing line. According to Oxford Economics, the wealth effect being created by the massive investment pouring into AI is going to reinforce the K-shaped economy likely through at least 2035. Not next year. A whole decade of the gap getting wider. So, how does this split actually happen? Group 1 is building with AI right now. They are setting up automated systems, creating services businesses will pay for, and stacking skills that are genuinely rare. Group 2 is sitting on the sideline, waiting to see how it all plays out, hoping someone will hand them a clear playbook. And by the time they finally decide to move, Group 1 has already built the tools, owns the systems, and created the infrastructure that Group 2 will end up working inside. That is not a prediction. It is already happening. And the data is embarrassingly clear. Let's look at what the research actually says. PwC's 2025 Global AI Jobs Barometer was built on nearly 1 billion job postings across 6 continents. Workers with AI skills now earn a 56% wage premium over people doing the exact same job without those skills. Not a different job. Same job title, same company. One person has AI skills, one does not. 1 year earlier, that gap was 25%. It doubled in 12 months. The same research shows industries most exposed to AI are seeing 3 times the revenue growth per employee compared to industries least exposed. That is not a small edge. That compounds over time. The companies leaning in are pulling so far ahead that the ones ignoring AI are slowly becoming irrelevant. And here is the stat that should excite you. Over 90% of workers have not taken a single hour of formal AI training. The gap is not growing because some people are smarter. It is growing because almost nobody is actually taking action. NPR spoke with Stanford AI researcher Eric Brynjolfsson, and he said something worth hearing. In just 3 to 4 years, half of entry-level jobs in certain categories could be gone. Not 3 decades from now. 3 to 4 years. If entry-level roles start disappearing at that speed and over 90% of the workforce has done zero training, what happens to those people? The ones who got ahead are going to be running things. The ones who waited are going to be competing for whatever is left. Here's something I want to address because I see this mistake everywhere. Most people are treating AI like a fancy search engine. They type in a question, get an answer, and close the tab. That is not using AI. That is barely scratching the surface. Think about it. Imagine you hired a world-class expert in marketing, operations, content, and customer service all in one, and all you ever did was ask them to look things up for you. That would be insane, right? But that is exactly what most people are doing. The people winning right now are not using AI for one-off questions. They are building systems, automated workflows that qualify leads, write content, respond to customers, and deliver results to clients without them being involved at every step. That is the difference between using AI as a toy and using it as a business asset. Here is the mindset shift that changes everything. Every time you see a new AI tool, instead of asking, "What is this?" ask, "How could I package this into something a business would pay for?" That one question separates the people who play around with AI from the people who actually build income with it. Hey, real quick, if this is landing for you, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next on this channel. The real Nick Ponte reads every comment, so drop one below and let me know where you're at with this stuff. And look, even though everything we're covering today is powerful on its own, if you are serious about taking this to the next level, go grab Nick's 4-part AI Fast Track training. It is completely free right now. Inside, he maps out the exact tools he uses to generate income and run his business, and you also get an exclusive 30-day free trial of the AI software he uses with his own clients every day. That software alone is genuinely worth checking out because it does things for client businesses that most other tools just can't match. Link is in the description. Here are the actual steps. I want to be straight with you. I know what it feels like to put in serious effort and still not see results. I worked really hard for years, long hours, did what I was told, and I was still broke. Eventually, I had to admit that hard work alone was not the answer. The answer was working on the right things. AI is the right thing right now. Step 1 is mindset. Stop seeing AI as something happening to you and start treating it as something working for you. Step 2 is staying informed. You do not need 5 hours a day. Pick one habit, one AI video a day, a podcast on your commute, 5 minutes of news before bed. Consistency wins. Step 3 is hands-on skills, not awareness, real skills. Carve out 30 minutes a day to experiment. Test one new workflow. The fastest way to learn AI is not to read about it, it is to build with it. Step 4 is where it gets real. Once you have working knowledge, start building services around it. There are businesses in your city, your industry, every niche imaginable, with zero AI strategy. They need help. A business owner drowning in manual work and losing time every day will pay a serious monthly retainer to someone who can fix that with AI. We are talking about income that does not require trading every hour for $1. This is a real business model that agencies and consultants are already running, and most of the market is still wide open. Here is the truth. Economists at Oxford Economics say the K-shape will keep reinforcing itself through 2035. The top goes up, the bottom goes down. The people getting into Group 1 right now are building an advantage that compounds and gets harder to close over time. U.S. Bank's research is direct about it. Businesses that fail to adopt AI risk falling so far behind in productivity and profit that they can no longer compete. Same applies to individuals. But here is the flip side. You are here right now. That already makes you part of a minority. Most people do not even know what the K-shaped economy is, let alone that they are in the middle of one. With over 90% of workers having zero AI training, the window is still very much open. You are not behind. You are early. The people who act in the next 6 to 12 months are going to look back on this the same way early internet adopters look back on the mid-90s. You are the kind of person who seeks this stuff out. You are watching an AI education video right now. That is not an accident. You are built for this moment. The data is clear, the economy is splitting, AI is the dividing line. The people who learn to use it and create real value with it end up on the side that rises. The ones who wait end up on the side that doesn't. And here is what makes this moment special. It does not care where you went to school. It does not care who you know, where you grew up, or how much money you started with. AI is one of the most open playing fields that has ever existed for building something real from scratch. This is a real shot. Do not let it pass. If you got value out of this, subscribe because we are just getting started on this channel and the stuff coming up over the next few months is going to be even more useful. And go grab Nick's free 4-part AI Fast Track training. It walks through the exact tools and strategies he uses in his own agency, and it includes a free 30-day trial of the AI software he uses every day to land and keep clients. That is the fastest way to go from curious to actually building. Link is in the description. And make sure to join the AI Control Room. That is Nick's free community with thousands of entrepreneurs and agency owners all building with AI right now. The link is in the comments and the description. See you in the next one.